Here we have a Smith Corona 1930s typewriter. It's black, has a new black and red ribbon. It in the front here says LC Smith and Corona Typewriter Company, or not company but Inc. And it does black, stencil, and red. This lever here is for reversing the ribbon. The keys are like a chrome ring around feels like a plastic key in the center. I went through this typewriter and cleaned it and made sure everything's working. I installed a new black and red ribbon. The inside of it's nice and clean. I've typed on it. It types well for a 1930 typewriter. The rubber roller has been replaced by someone. You know, I want to say it's medium to hard, but it isn't the original roller for sure, because this old typewriter, it would be rock hard. On the back, in order to set the tabs, you have these little deals that you pull out, and then you set them where you want a tab to set to be. And this is for your margin. And in the back, this is a paper support. See it a little better this way. And the bottom side, nice and clean. Now I looked for a serial number, and I just couldn't find one. But I'm going to be selling this typewriter on eBay. It's a nice working machine. And so I think that's about all. I guess there was some other things I wanted to talk about. One is, you can see there's a paint chip there and right here. The paint chip here is really from moving this. If this is open at all, just a little bit, and it ends up clunking that. And right here, I didn't paint over them because I don't know, you're not going to make it look like the original paint, so I just left them in the raw. Now there is in the back, there's some wear marks on the back here. There's a little ding right here in the metal. You barely can see it there. And but short of that, this is a nice clean black typewriter, and I'm sure that when you start typing on it, you'll travel back into time. Thank you very much for watching this video.